Hello dear children, welcome back to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. I am Vandana and we are doing your book 8. This is your English grammar book and the name of your book is English Grammar Less Skills and Least Workbook. So children, today we are going to do chapter number 12 of your book and the name of the chapter is Conjunctions. So yes, you have already learned about conjunction in your smaller classes. Here we are going to learn many new points. So let's start with the definition of conjunctions. So a conjunction is a part of speech that joins two words, group of words or sentences. So conjunction क्या करते हैं? They join. इनका काम होता है join करने का. ये दो words को join करते हैं, दो सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करते हैं या फिर दो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को भी ये ज्वाइन करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स लर्न द काइंड्स ऑफ कंजंक्शंस. कौन कौन से काइंड्स ऑफ कंजंक्शंस हैं? लेट्स सी. देयर आर थ्री काइंड्स ऑफ कंजंक्शंस. द फर्स्ट वन इज कोऑर्डिनेटिंग, द सेकंड वन इज सबऑर्डिनेटिंग एंड द थर्ड वन इज correlative. So here these are the three kinds of conjunctions that we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's start with the coordinating conjunction, which is our number 1. So what are coordinating conjunctions? These are also called coordinators. इन्हें coordinators भी कहा जाता है. They connect to a more equal parts of a sentence. So दो एक जैसे sentences को ये join करते हैं. They may be words, phrases or clauses. Here the example is he speaks French and Spanish fluently. He may look simple, but he is not stupid. You could take the highway or could take the route through the forest. So these are a few types of coordinating conjunctions. Now let's learn about the second type, that is the subordinating conjunctions. So subordinating conjunctions are also called subordinators. So इन्हें subordinators भी कह सकते हैं. इन्हें हम coordinators कह रहे हैं तो अब इन्हें हम subordinators भी कह सकते हैं. They join the dependent or subordinating clause. ये subordinating clause को join करते हैं to the independent clause. इसे main clause में ये join करते हैं. Now he goes for a walk each morning. तो इसका मतलब है कि हमारा मेन क्लॉज है वो रोज जो है वॉकिंग पे जाता है. He has his first cup of tea. तो after he has his first cup of tea, तो अपनी पहली चाय पीने के बाद वो मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाता है. So here this is the main clause and here this is the subordinating clause. अब इन दोनों को ज्वाइन किया है वर्ड आफ्टर में यहाँ पे. Next is although he is very old, he maintains the strict exercise regime. So here although is the subordinating conjunction. She could not complete her schooling because she comes from a poor family. So अब यहाँ पे she could not complete her schooling. She comes from a poor family. अब ये जो है इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे because यूज किया. So because is here the subordinating conjunction. Now let's learn about the third type of conjunction and that is the correlative conjunction. This is the third type of conjunction. So these are used in pairs to join phrases that are of equal importance. So ये जो correlative conjunction है ये pair में use किए जाते हैं join phrases को join करने के लिए that are of equal importance, जो equal importance के हैं. So here the examples are she was so shocked that she could neither move nor utter a word. So these are correlative conjunctions. So neither nor का use हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया क्योंकि ये correlate कर रहा है आपस में एक दूसरे को. You can either walk back home or wait for me to pick you. So यहाँ पे हमने either or को use किया है. Both Sana and Arvind are in the debate team. So both and को हमने एक साथ लिया है क्योंकि ये दोनों conjunctions एक दूसरे को correlate कर रहे हैं. इनको हम अकेले use नहीं कर सकते. So given are the some examples of coordinating, correlating and the subordinating conjunctions. Now the correlative conjunctions are usually placed immediately before the words to be connected. So जिस भी word को connect करना उससे just पहले ही हम इस conjunction को लगाते हैं. For example, अब जो है इन words को connect करना है तो हमने either को पहले ही लगा दिया. For example, he has learned not only vocal but also instrumental music. So this here not only and but also is also the correlating conjunction. Now here children, a table is given and the examples are given of the three types of conjunctions that we have learned. Coordinating में है for, and, not, but, or, yet, so. अब subordinating में बहुत सारे examples हैं. After, as, if, as soon as, when, while, once, since, in case, because, that, by the time, now, that, when, every time. Now the third one correlative में क्या है? Both and. अब ये साथ में लिखते हैं. Both and, if then, either or, neither nor, hardly when, rather than, no sooner than, whether or not, scarcely whether. So जब भी हम correlative conjunction लिखते हैं तो उनका एक group रहता है, उनको एक साथ ही लिखना होता है. Now here children we have to underline the conjunctions in the following sentences using their and we have to state their kind. कौन से type का conjunction यहाँ पे use किया गया. So the first one is I need to hurry up so that I don't miss the train. So अब यहाँ पे हमने so that word use किया. This is a conjunction and this is the subordinating conjunction. Although he tried very hard, he didn't top his class. So here we have to underline although and it is also subordinating conjunctions. So like this children, you have to find out the conjunctions and also state their kinds here. Now let's come to the B exercise. Here we have to rewrite after joining the pairs of sentences using suitable subordinating conjunction. So subordinating conjunctions को use करना है और इन sentences को join करना है. I will call you. I receive the report. So I will call you when I receive the report. So यहाँ पे you के बाद आएगा when. She tripped and fell. Her shoelace were undone. So here we are going to write down she tripped and fell because her shoelace were undone. So here we are going to write because क्योंकि उसके shoelace जो है बंद नहीं थे इसलिए वो उस पे फंस के गिर गई. So like this children complete the rest of the exercise. Now let's learn about conjunctive adverbs. So these conjunctives play a vital role in the flow of thought and ideas from one sentence to another through a paragraph. So ये जो conjunctions होते हैं ये क्या करते हैं? ये एक बहुत ही important role play करते हैं. कब play करते हैं? जब ये जो है एक sentence को दूसरे से join करते हैं किसी भी एक paragraph में. So ऐसे conjunctions को हम conjunctive adverbs भी कहते हैं. So conjunctive adverbs when correctly used give a paragraph a logical and coherent flow. So जब इन conjunctions को हम एक साथ use करते हैं तो ये जो है एक paragraph को एक logical या फिर coherent flow देते हैं. These include words such as therefore, thus. तो इसके जो भी conjunctions हैं we are going to learn therefore, thus, and yet, otherwise, hence, moreover, however, besides, etc. So these are a few of conjunctive adverbs. Now, the examples are she has been absent for 10 days. Moreover, she didn't inform anyone at school. तो वो absent तो थी लेकिन उसने जो है किसी को बताया भी नहीं. He left. He knew that the competition was going to be tough. However, he was determined to win this time. Now let's come to the practice time. Read the paragraph given here and then there are 5 errors of conjunction in. Spot the errors and correct them by writing the paragraph in your note. So children, this paragraph is your homework. You have to do on your own. You have to find out the errors and then write down them. Now let's come to the D exercise. Fill in the blanks with the sentence below with the appropriate conjunctions, choosing from those given in the box. So box में कुछ conjunctions दिए गए हैं. From there we have to find out and fill in the blanks. So slide the key inside underneath the door dash locking it carefully from outside. After locking it carefully from outside. So first में क्या आएगा कि हमें तो की को जो है डोर के अंदर डालना है, नीचे डालना है जब हमने उसमें अच्छे से लॉक लगा दिया. So you always dump your clothes on the bed. I tell you to hang them. So you always dump your clothes on the bed whenever I tell you to hang them. So whenever will come here. जब भी मैं तुम्हें कहता हूँ कपड़ों को ढंग से रखो, तुम उसे बेड पे गिरा के चले जाओ. So like this children, complete the rest of the exercise. Now let's do more. Here we have to take the correct conjunctions. जो भी correct conjunction है उन्हें हमें check करना है. Now the first one is give me a call from whenever, wherever or whether you are. So तुम मुझे call दे दो जहाँ पे भी तुम हो. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा wherever you are. तुम जहाँ भी हो मुझे वहाँ से call करो. I do not want to listen to your excuses. मैं तुम्हारे excuses को नहीं सुनना चाहता हूँ. और do I want to discuss this with you? Nor do I want to discuss it with you. For do I want to discuss with you? So I do not want to listen to your excuses. Nor do I want to discuss this with you. So because we have used here not, then nor is used. So these are the two of the questions, children. Rest questions are your homework. You have to do on your own. Now let's come to F exercise. Here we have to join the following sentences using suitable conjunctions and write them in your note. So I will be so glad this job is finished. So here glad के बाद हमें कौन सा conjunction लगाना है? I will be so glad if this job is finished. So if लगाना है. I will go to the market. I have finished my work. So I will go to the market when I have finished my work. So मैं market जाऊँगी जब मैं अपना काम पूरा कर लूँगी. So like this children, complete the rest of the questions. So with this we have concluded the chapter and I hope that you have understood it. And if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comments. And till then, stay elated and I'll be waiting for you with a new video.